Frank. No. Ow, Frank kills. Get him. Okay.
This is a dog afraid of.
Alright, someone help and you push him towards Murphy. Yeah. Someone push him towards Murph. Push him towards Murph. Alright. Murph's getting antsy. Now, are you ready?
You see him step back, peeps? Oh, he's surrendering.
Alright, more toward him, more toward him.
More toward him.
Freddy Krueger is here. Yeah.
Hilarious.
What is that? Don't make it. He's gonna bite. He's gonna bite Frankie.
No, he's scared. No, he's scared.
I know, but he's biting him. He's gonna bite him.
Don't worry about him.
Don't make him bite Frankie, please.
Guess what? You made it to our video.
You're gonna be viral. We're casting this onto the web. Look, he's scared. I know, he hurts.
He bites?
No.
No, hurt.
He hurts to hold.
I know.
Alright, the video will be ended after
Time to send it to you.
Oh.